Maupay nga adlaw ha iyo nga tanan oras nun. The cart goes to Eastern Samar as we officially launch our 5th branch in Region 8, which is located in Oras, Eastern Samar. Maraming salamat po sa pagtangkilik nyo sa The Cart, and we'd like to congratulate Ms. Marian, Sir Elmer, and Sir Edgar for franchising their first ever The Cart Moto here in Oras.
Hello everyone, good morning Oras Nons. I'm Marian Joy Orabao. I'm a teacher and I'm from here in Oras, Eastern Samar.
Hello everyone, I am Elmer Mingolio from Oras, Eastern Samar.
Si Edgar po mahilig isa siyang business-minded person. Una po namin nakita yung card, papunta kami nun sa Carigara, Leyte. Tapos we saw this card in Haro, Leyte. And then sabi niya, what if mag-franchise tayo doon sa Oras, magkiklik yun sa Oras, tapos magugustuhan ng mga tao. Kaya to make the story short po, yun na nga po, nag-franchise kami ng KRT Melty sa kagustuhan din ni Sir Edgar Bardahilo Peña.
Since the time we started operating the KRT Melty business, we almost sold over 2,000 plus from about August 13 up to present. So in average, we have about 30 to 50 cups sold per day.
The best experience partnering the cart is that we build relationship not only for the business but also for the customers, and we make sure that experience is positive as possible.
I would honestly recommend the cart from someone who is interested in opening milk tea business. Why? Simply because the KRT milk tea business have shown a great opportunities, especially in generating income and profitable way of becoming in the future.
So, nag-ooperate po ang The Cart every Mondays to Sundays. Yung itamon po location, pero may po kami at Doha, Oras New Public Market.
Hello mga Oras, nun amon laging papasabot nga ang The Cart Oras is open for celebration like weddings, birthdays, and any celebration po. Since the day I meet the staff and the CEO, the general managers of the KRT, nakita ko yung gaano yung team support nila sa amin kung paano namin i-operate yung business. Nakita ko yung kanilang support na maipakita kung paano namin mas may improve yung operation ng KRT Milk Tea.
Hello Oras Nons, salamat hit nga tanan nga nasuporta hit amon business. Sana po mag-continue lahat iyo pag-support, and maraming salamat po.
If you are from Region 8 or saan mang lupalop ng Pilipinas at sa tingin mo profitable ang business, na movable ang negosyo mo at gusto mo rin magkaroon ng ganitong klaseng negosyo, just message our Facebook page The Cart at tutulungan ka naming umpisahan ang profitable business ng The Cart, a milk tea and coffee business. On behalf of Cart Dynasty Milty Corp, I am Camille, the General Manager of The Cart. We thank you all for patronizing our business, and to God be all the glory. Keep rolling.